Had a tiring day and want a quick and nutritious but traditional meal? No problem. Let's make bhunna mutton. This spicy braised mutton is not only delicious and nutritious but is good enough to be served to guests and just takes about 25 minutes. So these are some of the ingredients that will be used with 1.5 kg of mutton. Blend 2 green chilies, tomatoes, onions and 2 cloves of garlic in half a cup of yogurt mixed in some water. Add half cup oil. Crush the remaining garlic in it once the water starts to come out of the meat. Meanwhile, add 3/4 of the blend in a pot and let the water dry. Put 1 cup water in the remaining blended mixture and add it in the meat. Add half teaspoon chili, half teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and leave to pressure cook for 20 minutes. Timer will start from the moment you secure the lid over it. Meat will tenderize by the time you are done with the gravy or masala as we call it. See, the water has dried up while we were dealing with the meat. Time to add spices. Red chili, turmeric, cumin powder, cinnamon powder, black pepper powder, coriander powder. Give it a mix. Add half a cup of water to save the spices from burning. Allspice powder. I like to add a little extra touch with a teaspoon of my homemade korma masala. You don't have to do it if you don't have it. You can try the substitutes that I've listed in the ingredients list. Paprika powder, add half cup oil and half teaspoon salt, because without salt you won't be able to taste the adequateness of the quantities of spices. Cook the gravy until it is thick and dry. This process will save you the time to brown up onions beforehand. Now let's check the mutton. It has become tender enough, so let's add it into our gravy masala. This dish has medium spice level. You can make adjustments to your salt, red chili and black pepper in order to make it spicier. Don't worry about the oil, as I deliberately add extra oil while cooking mutton. The taste of the mutton is rendered in the oil, and hence it enhances the vegetable dishes that you cook with this oil later on. Add tomato paste. Make final adjustments to the salt. Add green chilies so that they can be cooked in the mutton. Add them in chopped form and increase their quantity if you want to make it spicier. The whole dish soils 2 pots and takes about 25 minutes to be done. Give it a final taste test. Cover it and leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes. I have removed all the oil and this is what remains. I will garnish and show you the final look.